Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP continues to move in this sideways triangle. We've been talking about that now for many weeks, and I think for 5 weeks it's been moving in this triangle. Highlighting that it could be a triangle. I think we did that first of all sort of end of August, and made you aware that this could just become a long sideways triangle and that we might be moving in this range for a little while. And yeah, it's now end of September and we haven't broken out of the range, but you can see that the market is moving with lower and lower volatility. That indicates that a big move is coming. Preferred would be a breakout to the downside, basically a breakdown to the opposite side of the E wave. The triangle is constrained by resistance at 55.8 cents. That's basically a make or break point, invalidation point, and a breakdown point here at 45.8 cents. A break to the downside would lead to a breakout of, well, at the indicated and expected direction of the triangle. We would like to see a break to the downside here because it is just the way we are counting the triangle, and for us the most likely option. So the triangle is a 5-wave move, A, B, C, D, E. And it could be that we're still working on the D wave. That's the current expectation. Should get one more lower high in an E wave before we then break down. We would have to change our perspective above 55.8 cents because that's the invalidation point for the triangle. Essentially, when the triangle breaks out to the downside, it should be a C wave that takes the price below the A wave low, below the 17th of August low of around about 43 cents. Looking at the microstructure, we sort of have made some progress since yesterday, no change needed. The idea is that this B wave, so basically that we are moving in the D wave of the triangle. The D wave, as I've just shown you, is the second to last wave of the triangle. The E wave will be the last one. And as we get the E wave completed, we can prepare for a breakout to the downside in an ideal world. Now, the idea that I communicated to you yesterday was that the D wave is unfolding as a WXY structure. It's quite a complex correction, WXY, and that the Y wave itself is unfolding as an A, B, C structure, where the B wave is a triangle. And you can see how complex these corrections can be, right? Triangle count in the B wave, A, B, C, D, E. Surely other interpretations are possible, but that's for me at the moment the one that I would go with on the micro level here. Obviously, alternatively, if we break above this red line, the 50.5 cent level, it would simply reset the B wave a little higher, not as a triangle, but then maybe just as a simple ABC structure within the B wave. So, but therefore, as long as the 50.5 cent level isn't broken to the upside, it is likely that the C wave is unfolding. So I'm watching for the C wave to unfold, possibly a 1-2 setup already complete with a potential breakdown now in a third wave of the C wave, then a 4 and a 5. Then we should complete wave C of Y, of D, and then we get a E wave rally. That's sort of at the moment the for me the most likely scenario. If we look at the microstructures, you need to understand that this is a corrective structure, the triangle. Doing a micro count here is potentially dangerous, especially these subwaves. They can change quickly. Don't treat them as too predictive. What is more relevant is here the bigger picture. A, B, C, we could be in the wave D, probably not finished yet, and an E wave is still to come. Target for the D wave is ideally here between 49 cents and 47.4 cents. Here we should see the price get into this region, then a potential turnaround there, and a potential E wave rally of wave B before we then finally break down. So I would only really have to change the microstructure if there is a break above 50.5 cents. If there is a break above the C wave high at 52.6 cents, we will have to recount the entire triangle, but it's not invalidated. But invalidation will occur above 55.8 cents. If that occurs, possibly already a little bit before that, I would have to assume that the price is moving in a different structure, that we might reach 63 cents next. So it's a bit of a breakout point here because it would be the invalidation point of the triangle that could take us to 63. But bear in mind that a break of a bearish setup doesn't necessarily mean we have a bullish scenario, okay? So that there will be more to it. We need to look at the structure at the time then. Yeah, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.